sit there and you get some chocolate pudding. Mommy. Want some? Sugar-free Jell-O chocolate pudding. Want some, Cadence? Cadence. Yummy. Yum. Brinley could care less about the chocolate pudding. I think we found Aiden's a favorite. Here you go. Yummy. Has a little vanilla swirl in there. Yummy. What's sister over there doing? How could you tell that little face right there no? I was eating my chocolate pudding and she just wanted it. There's no way I could say no. I don't want you to play with that. You'll get chocolate all over it. Well, let me wipe your face then. There. You can't have any more bites until you put it down. Brinley, your sister's almost ate the whole pudding cup. Do you want some? Here you go. Look at her just standing here. Just standing there. Not waiting on anything. Just standing up. That's a big girl. Alright. Guess she's done. Mommy gets to eat the rest of the chocolate pudding. What's left? Have a good day, everybody.